Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 11 Labs tutorial, how to use 11 Labs for beginners. So all you have to do here is just go to 11labs.com and then create an account. So you can tap on sign up. You can create using your email, password, or your Google account. Once you have created your account right here, then it will take you directly to 11 Labs. As you can see on the left side, you can basically unlock these features right here for free. But in order for you to use other features like the points right here or the coins are just limited. So if you want to upgrade your plan, just upgrade your plan. You can see here different options or features like voices. You can choose which one you want to use. You can even clone the voice right here, and for some voices right here, these are not for free, so you need to upgrade your plan. Also, you can use images, you can use video. One of the trending or one of the famous or popular feature right here is the text to speech. All you have to do here is to add whatever text you want and then select that specific voice that you want to use. So for example, if you have the script right here, you can add longer. Okay, so you have to click and choose the voice. You can preview or you can listen first before you select. And then after that, you can generate the speech. Once you're okay with that, and then all you have to do is to download. So basically, that is it. It's very easy to use. Aside from that, you can also change, you can edit or moderate everything right here. So basically, you can increase, decrease, whatever you want. For example, if you want to change something with the tone, with the speed at that specific voiceover, then all you have to do is to just basically change whatever you want to change right here. And that's how easy it is to use 11 Labs. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.